Alright. Welcome once again. So ito po yung information. Thank you for reminding me. Ito po yung information, hindi po ito makukuha sa paralan. But this kind of information, guys, it will open your mind what's going on in the world right now. This could make you a better possession on how to understand the major changes that we are facing right now at paano i-maximize an opportunity. In short, paano ka kumita sa market or sa online. So yun ba yung dahilan bakit kayo nandito? Drop number 1 on the chat box if yan ang dahilan nyo. So let's start. All right. So hindi na natin patagalin pa. Welcome to Digital Revolution. Digital Revolution, guys. So, ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon, we will not talk about technical, so much for technical. Ang dami na nating technical training on the past, especially dun sa mga VIPs and yung mga enrolled community. What I'm going to share you guys is I will let you understand one of the major changes that is happening in the world right now, itong tinatawag na digital revolution. Pag sinasabi mong digital, guys, our 200 participants, sige nga, I like that being interactive on the chat box. Pag sinasabi mong digital, ano yung nasa isip mo? Pag sinasabi yung digital, come on, in the chat box, if you hear about digital online, very good. Technology, AI, online, I love your answers. Perfect, computerized, faster, I love that. Okay. Online technology, AI numbers. Okay, I like that. That's correct. Okay. Technology, online transactions. I love that. High tech, tama ko yan. So guys, ngayon, i-identify natin, ano ba itong digital revolution? Okay? And let's discover tonight how to make money in this digital age. Sounds good? Sounds good. And unlock the opportunity that could change your future kasi ako nabago na. Nabago na yung future ko. 1 year ago when I decided to go back into this digital age, nabago na. Marami ng pagbabago, I tell you. In fact, mayroon kaming sorpresa na ipapalabas na resulta, kaya sorpresa lang. Hindi ko pa pwedeng sabihin kasi sorpresa. But watch out for that, guys. So if this resonate you, then it's good to go. All right, let's start. So, by the way, konting introduction lang para dun sa bago sa community. I'm Nurse Paraguay, 43 years old from Cagayan de Oro. So, kaway-kaway yung mga Bisaya dyan. So, sometimes may mga languages in Tagalog na mahirapan ako. So, sometimes mag-Bisaya ako. But it's okay. Most of the time, I'll speak Tagalog and English. So that our more than 200 participants can understand what's going on in the digital world right now. So nag-graduate po ako sa Ateneo de Cagayan. 4 years po ako sa digital business. Tama-tama yung pag-usapan natin, digital revolution. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm also a licensed financial consultant. I started Forex trading since 2017 and I'm the founder of the community, Pinoy Traders Community, that we're doing training both face-to-face and online. Ngayon all over the world, nasa more than 7,000 plus na po tayo. Okay. Kaya ako ngayon nandito kasi you're part of that community. So this is me and my family. I'm a father of 3. Bakit ko gustong digital business? Kasi may time ako sa family ko at may budget ako para sa family ko. And right now, sabi ko, before kasi yung room namin nasa taas, before ko bababa, sabi ko sa wife ko, paghanap ka ng getaway natin for weekend, saan tayo pwede? So sabi niya, ano gusto mo, sa dagat, sa bukid? So sabi ko, basta I want nature. So ganun yung pwedeng mangyari sa iyo, guys, pag nasa digital world ka. Hawak mo time mo, at the same time, if you crack this one, you have a very good budget for your family. So sinong gustong magkaroon ng ganitong klaseng buhay? Alright? Pakamping-camping lang. Alright. So that's the reason. Another thing is that meron tayong mga face-to-face paminsan-minsan, but minsan lang because face-to-face is expensive. And then most of our community are OFW. I think 70% are OFW. So kaway-kaway yung mga overseas Filipino workers natin na mga matatapang na mga bayani. Kaway-kaway dyan. Okay, saan country are you? So kaya most of the time, I spend my time on the online para po lahat, this message, this information, pwede nating makast sa inyo through online lang. Okay, through online lang. Titira na po ako sa Cagayanero. Welcome po. Welcome po. So, digital revolution. First things first, guys. We need to identify ano ba itong tinatawag na digital revolution. But I want you to open your mind kasi this is something new. Okay. Digital revolution, what are the advantage? Unang-una definition, what are the advantage? What are the disadvantage? And how you will position yourself to make money digitally in this digital revolution. Yun po yung pag-uusapan natin, TJ Remarks na naka-raise hand siya ngayon. Okay? Pwede bang i-lower hand? By the way, guys, you can ask questions on the chat box naman. Walang problema. Okay. So now, ano ba itong digital revolution? Ready? Okay. Let's go to the core of the webinar. This digital revolution, guys, refers to a major shift. Major shift. Ibig sabihin, malaking pagbabago sa society na nakapag-effect siya sa ekonomiya and sa daily life natin. Brought by, again, kanina major shift, ngayon rapid advancement. Anong ibig sabihin ng rapid advancement? Mabilis na pagbabago. And ngayon, another adjective, widespread use of. So mayroon siyang major shift, mayroon siyang rapid advancement because of the widespread use of digital technologies. So tama po kanina yung nag-answer na when you speak about digital related po sa technologies, especially in computers, internet, and mobile device. So lahat naman siguro, kung walang computer, lahat naman siguro may internet at may mobile device. So ibig sabihin, part po kayo ng tinatawag na major shift ng digital revolution. Okay. But some of the advantage, kinda bad news, but I need you to see this one in a different perspective. Okay. So ngayon guys, because of this digital revolution, pwede siyang mag-create ng job displacement. Okay? Job displacement. Anong ibig sabihin? Pwedeng mapalitan yung trabaho ng isang tao through automation and AI. Okay. Now, one of the best example right now is what I'm doing right now because of automation and AI and in forex trading. Siguro, yung iba, alam na yung story ko. I was the CEO of the company with more than 50 plus employees. But, sad to say, yung company na yon na down after pandemic at na-close yon at naghanap ako ng pwede kong paano ko makapag-recover. So ngayon, nandito na ako sa digital business with automation and AI and with the use of internet. Ngayon, yung kinita ko with the grace of God, ito guys is i-share ko for inspiration not to brag. Yung kinita ko ngayon, mas malaki pa compared sa kinita ko dati na mayroon akong 50 plus employees. At alam niyo ba ngayon, I only have 1 employee. Plus, malaki pa yung kinita ko. So bakit? Digitalization. Hindi ko ma-pronounce but it makes me money. Wow, okay? Because of session na Bisaya digitalization. Job displacement po. Hindi po ito nakakatawa sa totoo lang. Habang nag-advance po tayo, as more processes become automated, many traditional jobs, especially yung mga repetitive and manual ones, could be replaced by machines, softwares, and AI. Uy, nakakatakot naman yan. Totoo ba yan? Nangyayari ba yan? Yes. As a matter of fact, Amazon, one of the biggest online shopping, with the owner Jeff Bezos, I think top 3 richest man in the world. He used to be one of the richest man in the world, I think 2 years ago, because he owns Amazon. And Amazon, according sa research, Amazon has laid off more than 27,000 people since 2022 because of the AI services and automation. So nangyayari na. At this is just one of the example, okay? Because of the AI generation. So, on the other side, by advantage, but what are the positive side of it? Ano bang sinong gustong makarinig ng positive side of it? Okay. So, the positive side of it, guys, kailangan yung makita rin na because of AI, mayroon tayong opportunity to make money online. So, from this slide, moving on, I want you to focus because ipapakita ko sa inyo ano yung nakikita ko, bakit kumita ako ng mas malaki ngayon compared sa company ko before with more than 50 plus employees and yung overhead expenses ko is almost 1 million per month. Sweldo, renta, ngayon grabe, ang liit lang. So kung makikita nyo ito, hindi reason na hindi kayo kikita at hindi kayo yumaman kahit nasa bahay lang or kahit doing this one, pwede nyo side hustle or on the side or in short, pwede nyo gawing sideline muna as long as may cellphone at may internet ka. Sino ba dito walang internet at walang cellphone? Okay? So magpaparapol tayo guys ng Nokia 3310. Kaya Nokia 3310, okay? Okay. So moving on guys, may mga pagbabago. This is one of the biggest part of the digital revolution. On the positive side, because of digitalization, may nabubuong ekonomiya, may nabubuong businesses, may nabubuong pera, may nabubuong tinatawag natin guys na digital currencies. Digital currencies. Pera na hindi mo mahawakan pero pwede mong matransact. Are you with me? Like me, I'm transacting digital currencies. Siguro every week nasa not less than 2,000 USD, 2,000 to 4,000 USD. Ko-convert ko into USD, ko-convert ko into peso from my local bank and pwede ko siyang i-transfer gamit yung QR codes and digital transactions. Lahat po, digital transactions na po. Okay? So ito po yung another advantage na mayroon tayong tinatawag na digital currency. So now our objective guys for tonight is to empower you, my participants, in actionable knowledge. So mayroon kayong malalaman and then mayroon kayong actionable strategies kung paano kumita in this digital market or digital opportunity, including cryptocurrency, forex or currency exchange, while understanding mabilis na pagbabago of opportunities in this digital age. All right? Are you with me? Are you with me? The 100 participants, are you with me? Are you excited? Are you excited? So, in short, imbis na maging biktima ka sa pagbabago, ang mangyayari, imbis na talunan ka sa pagbabago, ang mangyayari, magiging panalo ka sa pagbabago. Imbis na mahihirapan ka, magkaroon ka ng crisis sa pagbabago, ang mangyayari, aangat ka at yayaman ka sa pagbabago. Kailangan mo lang makita itong opportunity na ito. Kailangan mong maintindihan. So this webinar guys is focused more on educational side and it's focused more on awareness and not technical side. But it's very powerful if you are aware, if you have knowledge, if you understand, yung technical side magiging madali na lang kasi naintindihan mo na kung bakit kailangan mo itong aralin. Are you with me? Are you with me? So there's no question on the technical side. In short, yung sa tingin mong mahirap itong gawin, kapag ka naintindihan mo ito, ang mahirap sa perspective mo, hindi na siya mahirap dahil may rason ka na kung bakit mo siya gagawin. Okay. And by the way, guys, this opportunity, guys, is pandemic proof. Uulitin ko. This digital business, digital age is pandemic proof. As a matter of fact, kung babalik yung pandemic, mag-explode itong business na ito. So we're not praying na magkaroon ng pandemic. It caused at a lot of traumas and tragedy and malaking pagbabago. But mainam nang ready tayo kasi hindi natin alam kung anong mangyayari bukas. So if ever magkaroon man, alam mo na kung paano ito gawin, nakapag-possession ka na, hindi ka matatakot kasi alam mo na. As long as may QR code, as long as may digital transaction, as long as may internet, which is sa lahat na nag-exist sa panahon ng pandemic, internet lang yung nag-exist. Grabe. Mayroon akong kaibigan, nagnegosyo, online, merkado, because of digital platform. Okay? So, let me continue. Okay. So, just a little bit background on how evolution started. Dito natin nakikita, guys, na mayroon talagang evolution. So, in the business world, dati, it starts with barter. Okay? Yung baka mo, papalitan natin yan ng, anong gusto mo ipalit sa baka ko? Okay? Palitan natin yan ng, pagkain. Okay? Bigas. Okay? Yung bigas mo, palitan natin ng baka. Okay? So, since may bigas ako, wala akong ulam, o barter tayo. And then eventually gold. But right now, ang gold, mayroon tayong tinatawag na digital gold. Ang tawag is XAU. Yan ang digital gold. And then paper, plastics, and then electronic money, and cryptocurrencies. Ngayon, guys, yung nagpa-follow sa akin, most of you alam na pumunta ako sa Manila. We stay in BGC for 4 to 5 days. Pumunta din kami sa Tagaytay. Ngayon, alam mo ba na sa airport, hindi ka pwedeng magdala ng malaking pera. In a local, guys, ang pwede mo lang gawin, ang pwede mo lang dalhin sa domestic is 50,000. 50,000 lang. Alam mo ba yun? And then, more than that, pwede nilang i-confiscate. Sa international, ang pwede mo lang dalhin, not more than 500,000 or 10,000 USD. More than that, pwede kang dakwin or i-compensate because of the AMLA. Now, ang ginawa ko, okay, ay dala ko ng 50, tapos 50 sa wife ko, tapos may makasama ko, 50-50, 200,000 lang yung dinala ko. But I have a transaction in Manila which is more than 7 digit. Pero hindi ako nag-aalala kasi nasa electronic transaction na tayo. So ganoon na po ka-advance yung technology. I-try mo nga magdala ng gold sa airport. Kung pwede mo ba siyang madala. 'Di ba? Sino nag-try dito magdala ng gold bar sa airport? Hindi pwede, 'di ba? Pero kung mayroon kang digital wallet, kahit 10 million man 'yan, kahit 1 billion man yan na worth of gold in the digital wallet, pwede mo siyang madala kahit saan ka. Yun yung evolution of money and electronic money or tinatawag natin na digital currencies. Okay. Sa ngayon, guys, there are a lot of opportunities for wealth. Okay. Let me cite these 2 examples kasi pag marami, mas maguguluhan kayo. Focus lang tayo sa cryptocurrencies have created a lot of millionaires overnight. Yes, literally, naging milyonaryo na walang ginagawa. Bakit nila nagawa? Simple, information. Mayroon silang nalaman previously na hindi natin nalalaman. Another thing, guys, is forex trading, which is dito tayo nakafocus. which offer leverage in trading enables a small investment or small, should I say, capital to control larger portions. Mayroon kasing sistema yung forex na leverage. Kahit maliit lang yung capital mo, kung masyado ka talagang risk taker, pwedeng malaklaki yun yung kita mo. Potential profits even if small capital. So yun yung advantage. Okay. Now, this revolution symbolize freedom. Imaginein mo ako, nasa bahay lang ako. Kung ayaw kong lumabas, dito lang ako sa bahay. So ang ginagawa ko is minsan hinatid ko yung mga anak sa school, which is yung mga anak ko nandito lang malapit. Nagbabakasyon, travel, coffee na lang. Tapos I have quality time with my wife and some of mga business partners, mga mga coaches ko sa community na malapit dito, copy na lang, ganoon na lang. Nagkaroon ako ng freedom. I don't have a 9 to 5 job. But what I earn, wag na lang. Kasi baka may mga galit sa mga contractor. Innovation, empowerment, and allowing people to take control in their finances in an imaginable way. Guys, when I started this one, I couldn't even imagine na ganito na yung status ko ngayon dahil in just months lang. Dahil sa tinatawag nating digital economy. So, if you embrace it, you will take benefit of the digital economy. But if you refuse to embrace it, wag naman sana, but darating yung time, you will be a victim of this called digital revolution. Now, tanong ko sa inyo, sinong gustong i-embrace ang digital economy? Drop number 1 on the chat box. Sinong gustong i-embrace? Guys, whether you like it or not, this is happening all over the world. If I were you, mag-embrace ka na, mag-take action ka na. Okay. Bitcoin is one of the most craziest thing happen in economy. Alam nyo ba guys na hindi mahahawakan ang Bitcoin? Hindi mo mahawakan. Wala, actually Bitcoin is digital. At ang nag-imbento or founder ng Bitcoin, hindi rin kilala kasi faceless siya. So kung titingnan mo, para talaga siyang scam. Kasi hindi mo kilala, hindi mo mahawakan, hindi ko mahawakan yung pera. But that was before. That was before. Another thing guys is crypto. Hindi mo siya mahawakan but you have a lot of money because of the platform. Trading platform. Forex rather. So Forex meaning major currencies tine-trade natin. USD, English pound, ganyan. Euro USD, USD GPY, okay. NCD GBP. So yun yung mga currencies. Okay. Imagine guys, ito yung Bitcoin natin in a daily time frame. Okay. I think when I screenshot this one, this April, May, second quarter of this year. Okay. So ito yung value niya. Hindi siya mahahawakan guys. But yung value niya grabe. Ang update guys ng BTC. Okay, kanina in-screenshot ko ito. Guys, tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo. During July 2023, ang value ng BTC guys is only around 15K. 15K USD. Okay. In the span of very short period of time, tingnan mo. Umakyat, bumaba, umakyat, umabot ng 100, nag-break yung support and resistance, naging 120. Okay, naging 120. What does it mean? Imagine kung mayroon kang isang Bitcoin. At that time, ang value is 15K. In just 2 years, 120K at pakimute ng kapatid. Okay. Imagine. Nakikita niyo ba to? This graph symbolize may yumaman, may naging milyonaryo na walang ginagawa. Pero mayroon silang alam. Alam lang at paano. Siguro literally maliit lang yung ginagawa nila. Pumasok lang sila sa platform, bumili at nag-hold. Yun lang. Are you with me? So if you are into business, magkano ba yung growth? Magkano ba yung ROI? Magkano ba yung percentage gain or equity gain? Kung titingnan natin si BTC from July of 2023 up to the present. Magkano nga ba? Gusto niyo malaman? Okay, gusto niyo malaman? Okay. Now, based on the chart, this is just a simple computation. Kukompute natin. So, yung price ng BTC is 15 at that time, July 2023. Actually, after pandemic na. Nag-profit guys ng 105. Okay? Nagkaroon ng percentage equity gain na 700%. Okay? Ibig sabihin, yung pera niya naging times 7. Okay? So imagine, if you have 1 million, nilagay mo sa Bitcoin guys, at that time, 2023 of July, ngayon yung 1 million mo, 7 million na. Kumita ka ng 6 million na walang ginagawa. Grabe, amazing. Digital revolution. So i-compute natin yan, 2023, 2024, 2025, nag-average siya ng 3 million per year na walang ginagawa. Para ho siyang may-ari ng maraming condo unit. Concessionaire. Imagine, walang ginagawa. Pero bakit siya nakapag-buy-in? Bakit siya nakapag-participate? Kasi mayroon siyang alam na this thing is mangyayari. Mayroon siyang nakita sa digital age na hindi natin nakita. Mayroon siyang nakitang opportunity sa digital revolution na hindi natin nakita. But don't worry kasi ngayon makikita mo na. Okay? So, makikita mo na. Sabi nga ni Jose Marichan, do you see what I see? Di ba? Beer na kasi. Lumabas na. Kaninang umaga, lumabas na si Jose Marichan. Do you see what I see? Nakikita mo ba itong nakikita ko? Are you with me? Another example. What if mayroon kang 10 million? Kasi mayroon kang kaalaman, information. Nilagay mo at that time na yon at nagiging 70 million. Ibig sabihin, kumita ho kayo ng 60 million na walang ginagawa. Wow! Wow, 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 wow. Teknolohiya. Di ba? Ano ba yan? Technology. Parang ano yung sa TikTok? Teknolohiya. Oh. Teknolohiya. Copy? Copy guys? Copy? Are you still there? Oh, Islamic Teknolohiya. Tama ba yung pag-pronounce ko? Kasi mayroon silang nalaman, mayroon silang natuklasan na teknolohiya. Yeah, thank you. Na ngayon, hindi natin natuklasan. But ngayon, matutuklasan mo na. Okay, matutuklasan mo na. So, you know, British investments. Okay, guys, ito back up with research and news. Okay. Alam niyo ba, alam naman natin, guys, British, isa sa pinaka-strongest economy. Okay. Great Britain. Okay, pinaka-strongest, pinaka-mayaman at pinaka-strong yung ekonomiya nila. The British Investment Mitigation Consultancy, nakita nila guys na there are 172,300 individuals held humawak ng 1 million in crypto asset this year. Ibig sabihin, yung sinasabi ko kanina at yung computation, hindi yun assumption kasi nangyayari ito sa 172,000 katao. Assets per year na tumutubo ng 95% or more. Grabe. The number of Bitcoin millionaires are doubled to 885. So dumodoble at dumodoble yung yumayaman because of cryptocurrency. The report said that there were 325 crypto centi millionaires. Estimated 34% age from 25 to 35. So hindi pabata lang pabata yung mga milyonaryo ngayon kasi you don't need to do it 20 years to be a millionaire. That was before. 30 years to be a billionaire. Now, having the right information and having the right skills, ladies and gentlemen, hindi mo na kailangan magtrabaho ng 20 years para maging milyonaryo. Sa community natin, nako, may 2 months lang, naging milyonaryo na. May 5 months, may 6 months, naging milyonaryo na. Because of digital revolution. Are you with me? Is it eye-opening? Is it eye-opening? Is it eye-opening, guys? I will tell you one of the story of the financial crisis in El Salvador. This is a country to financial fortune. Alam niyo ba na may isang presidente? So ngayon hindi na talaga scam kasi yung involved are presidents anymore. Ay, scam yan. Bakit naging scam? Involved nga yung presidente. Kasi yun, sa Pilipinas, yung mga Bitcoin companies, ganyan, Pineston, Hinold, nangyari yan dati sa Binance. Alam niyo na bakit. Siyempre, nangihingi ng share or equity. Alam niyo na. But in other countries, guys, like El Salvador, President Nayib Bukele. So I hope I pronounce Bukele. Bukele's government, how they solve their financial problem, simple lang. Bumili lang sila ng 5,900 BTC. Okay? And then, after that, kumita lang naman sila ng 333 million USD from the initial capital of 264. During that time, yung Bitcoin umabot ng 100,000. But ngayon, Bitcoin is nasa 120 range na. So yung kita nila, hindi 300 anymore. Yung kita nila, more than 500 million. Mayroon silang ginagawa? Wala. Nagtatabaho ba sila ng 20 years? Hindi. Mayroon lang silang naintindihan na hindi naintindihan ng iba at nag-take action lang sila at kumita ng tumataginting, very simple, 400 million USD. Kung convert natin yun sa peso, nako, malaking pera na ho yun. And not only that, President of by the way, forgive me, the President of Valenzuela pala, President of Valenzuela, okay, nagkaroon sila ng economic crisis, okay. Alam niyo po ba yung pera sa Valenzuela, guys, nakakalat lang sa daan. Sa dami ng pera nila, walang value because of inflation. Tingnan niyo yan sa YouTube. Pero paano nila binangon yung ekonomiya nila? Simple. Digital revolution. Okay. So Venezuela, it claims to be an inflation-free. Ngayon, yung currency nila, yung mga bankers nila, nagkaroon na ng magandang value because bumalik na yung ekonomiya nila. Guys, we are talking here about national crisis. Na-solve yung national crisis because of digital revolution. Idea, kaalaman. How much more yung personal crisis mo? Kung nasusolve yung national crisis nila, how much more yung personal crisis? Another, guys, this one personal ito. A young millionaire at the name of Eric Fenmans becoming a millionaire started he was 12 years old in 2011. Bumili ho siya ng 1,000 gift from his grandma Bitcoin. During the time, ang Bitcoin is only 12 USD. 12 USD. Grabe. So imagine niyo anong nangyari sa kanya ngayon. 'Di ba? Instant millionaire. Kasi yung 12 niya, yung 1 Bitcoin niya at 12 USD nagiging 120. So it's like 10,000 times yung halaga ng pera. So i-times mo yung 1,000 to 10,000. So this guy actually right now is a multi-billionaire. And not only that, lately at the second presidency of President Donald Trump, Trump signs an executive order to create a strategic reserve of crypto. So ngayon guys, hindi mo siya mahawakan, pero nagiging reserve na siya sa tinatawag nila na Federal Bank. Ang Federal Bank sa Amerika, yun yung sa atin is Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Dati, ang reserve guys are gold. Ngayon, including crypto, kasi gumawa ng batas si Donald Trump. Ibig kong sabihin, kung ang utak ninyo, I'm sorry for that word, is scam pa rin, hindi talaga tayo kumikita. The reason why na hindi tayo yumaman, kasi nakikita natin yung negative side of it. Weak mind see solution as a problem, but a strong mind see weak mind see problem in the solution, but a strong mind see solution in the middle of the problem. So which mind are you? Isa ka ba sa nakikita mo na itong digitalization is scam pa rin? Paano mo i-question ito na even the president of the most powerful country in the whole world is ginawa na ang crypto as reserve nila? Are you with me? Are you with me? Okay. So, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. Sana nagtanim ako 20 years ago, malaki na sana. Sana nag-invest ako sa Bitcoin 5 years ago, multi-millionaire na ako sana. That's the best time. The second best time is when? The second best time is now. Kasi 5 years from now, sabi, sana, doon nag-attend ako sa webinar ni Coach Nars, nag-invest sana ako, nag-involve sana ako, inaral ko sana, milyonaryo na sana ako. Wala eh. After 20 years, sana. Sabi siya ba, mahay ra ka kutob. Kasi hindi action taker. Copy? Copy. So the best time to get involved was 20 years ago, 10 years ago, and the second best time to get involved is now. Ngayon. Ngayon na. Para mayroon tayong freedom. Okay. Listen guys. Let's talk about how we get involved into digital revolution. Paano tayo makisali? Paano ka tayo makisawsaw? Ano tayo? Ganun tayo eh. Pilipino. Magaling tayo makisawsaw. Dito tayo makisawsaw. Sa positive na pagsawsaw. Tama ba yung Tagalog ko? Correct me guys ha. Pasensya na Bisaya kasi. Okay. So dito tayo makisawsaw. Dito tayo makisawsaw. Okay. Guys. Isa sa naniniwala ng digital revolution ng community natin guys. I'm sure yung iba mahirap itong paniwalaan. Kasi hindi ito nangyayari before. But digital revolution, kahit parang imposible, nagiging posible. Tingnan mo ang isang member ng community natin na nag-enroll, I think last August. 1st of August, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Kumita siya ng 44,000 USD or 2.4 lang naman in less than 2 months. Alam ko na eh. Alam ko na. Kasi isa sa dahilan na bakit tayo hindi yumayaman o hindi tayo umuusad yung pera kasi masyado tayong doubtful. Weak mind focus on doubt and fear, but a strong mind focus on trust and faith. Siya, nagkaroon lang siya ng trust. Ito yung nangyari sa kanya. Pakinggan natin.
Total profit right now, sir, if you don't mind.
2 months pa lang po ako this coming September 7, to be exact. Last Thursday, nag-withdraw po uli ako, and then the total na withdraw na po sa account po is $44,000.
Isang strategy ang nakatulong sa'yo together
Napakalaking
with
tulong po.
Hero 30 session. And by the way, this is July 2025, right?
Yes po. Last month lang po.
So, last month lang. Wow. So, ibig sabihin nun, sir, is from zero knowledge, then, dahil sa Hero 30, and then with the tools na andito sa community natin, yun yung nakapagbigay sa'yo ng foundation para maging profitable ka. Tama po ba?
Tama po.
So,
Exactly
ibig
po. And
sabihin,
then,
sir, sa lahat ng mga zero knowledge dito at newbie,
Record. Itong araw na ito guys, believe it or not, but kumita siya dito ng around 300,000 pesos. Imaginein mo. Digital revolution. Yes, I know, mahirap paniwalaan. If you're still doing the old school or traditional way, sino ba namang matinong pag-iisip ng isang company na magbibigay sa isang empleyado ng 300,000 sa isang araw? Walang matino na bossing na magbibigay ganyan. Paano mangyayari yan? Digital revolution. The power of digital trading. O let's just say hindi ganun kalaki. Kasi I'm sure yung iba, kung masyadong malaki, hindi ka panipaniwala. Tama ho ba? Kasi perspective lang yan eh. Siyempre kung hindi ka nasanay, parang hindi ka panipaniwala. Pero kung ako sa'yo, sanayin mo na yung sarili mo para ma-manifest mo. Kasi kung kinokontra mo, hindi mo talaga ma-manifest yan. Hindi talaga mangyayari sa'yo. Sanayin mo na. But let's just say conservative. Kasi parang hindi pa makakomprehend. Sino ba namang magma-manifest dito ng 100,000 per day? Yung iba nga mahirapan 100,000 isang buwan, tama. But again, the power of digitalization. Mamaya na yung capital. Technical, mamaya na yan. Okay. Siyempre may capital yan. Okay. Oh. Pero guys, let's just say 453 USD sa isang araw. And by the way, if you see this date, so titingnan mo, 2025 September 18, ngayong araw po ito sa mga VIP community natin na nag-enroll. 453. 20,000? Wala. Easy money. 613. 30,000 isang araw. And by the way, standard po ito. Hindi demo, hindi sent account. Ang date, 2025-9-18, September 18. 313 sa isang VIP natin or member ng community natin, VIP program. 30,000 pesos. Ang sarap. And not only that, may isang nag-withdraw lang naman ng 4,000. Yung iba kasi, pakita ng withdrawals. Kaya nga ako guys, ang pinapakita ko withdrawals na kaagad. Kasi at the end of the day, ang gusto natin mawi-withdraw. So, may nag-withdraw ng 4,000 or 200,000. September 17, the other day. So, mainit-init pa ito. Okay? So, kahit maliit lang, 175 isang araw, not bad. 7,000, magkano yan? 613 isang araw, not bad. May nag-withdraw 23,900 isang araw. Not bad. September 17, kitang-kita. September 18, September 16. Ito guys, actually, kung isa-isahin ko itong kumikita at nagkakaresulta sa community, aabot tayo dito ng umaga sa dami na nagkaresulta every day. By the way guys, these people na nagkaroon ng resulta, the same sa mga taong yumayaman sa BTC sa previous. Bakit po? Sila po ay mga action taker. Kahit po malaman mo that this business exists, kung walang action yung ginagawa mo, you will not enjoy. Okay? Alam niyo po, ang pera, gustong-gusto niya ang mga tao na marunong mag-action. Didikit yung pera sa taong marunong mag-action at marunong mag-decision. Kaya if I were you, mag-isip-isip ka na. Okay. Kasi sa forex trading guys, I think I don't need to explain this one. Okay. Forex trading guys, $7 trillion are being traded every day. Hindi natin kukunin lahat yan. Kukurot lang tayo. Okay. Marami. Hindi lang ako, hindi lang ikaw, hindi lang sa community. There are 10 million forex traders in the whole world. 10 million. So hindi lang tayo nag-iisa dito. Marami na tayo, buy and sell, we just need to. Ito lang gusto kong maintindihan nyo. Okay. Mute na lang natin si Madam. This is a global opportunity. Marami kasing nagsabi, ay nasa Dubai kasi ako, ay nasa Hawaii ako. Hello po, kahit saang country po kayo as long as may internet po kayo. Dubai ka man, Fiji ka man, Hong Kong, Singapore, at mag-mute ka man. Okay. Anytime, kasi ang market, sa crypto, even weekend pwede mag-trade. Sa Forex, only weekdays. So global, kahit saan ka pwede ka. Pilipinas, kahit saan ka. So hindi mo pwedeng gawin, ay nasa Mindanao kasi ako, ay nasa, no? Kahit saan. Access kay internet. Ang maganda, low barriers entry. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo kailangan ng building para mag-business ng ganito. Hindi mo kailangan may high-tech. Hindi mo kailangan mayroon kang computer shop. Kailangan mo lang smartphone, kahit Android. Ako, Android ginagamit ko sa pag-trade. At may connection at maliit na kapital. Pwede. By the way, magkano ang kapital? Sa community natin to enroll in our VIP program, only 159 USD. Isang buwan na ho yun. Isang buwan. Pero sa community natin, doon sa Hero 30 at sa VIP Signal lifetime yon. Pero yung sa provider natin sa Noah 1 month yon. But optional if you want to continue or not. Pinoint out ko lang kung if you want to take action, ang kailangan mo lang is 159. Kaalaman. Okay? Now, if you want to trade, magkano? At least 100 USD lang po. Ganun lang po kababa ang kailangan mong kapital at ganun kagana yung kitaan. Tuturuan namin kayo sa community ng isa sa pinaka-importanting skill na lifetime mo na itong matututo. Ano ba itong skill na to? Trading skill. Alam nyo ba na ang trading skill is one of the highest paying skills? May pruweba ka ba bro? Yes. Yung kaninang pinakita ko, inaral niya in less than 2 months. Kumita siya ng 44. Pero kung sa interview, short kasi yun eh. Sa whole interview, ang sabi niya, aralin mo lang talaga. Kaya normally sabi ko, bro, kung aaralin mo ito, kung may magsasabi sa inyo, aralin mo ito, pag makuha mo, bigyan ka ng 1 million, aaralin mo ba? Siyempre, sagot, yes, kasi bigyan ako ng 1 million. Same thing. Kasi ito is highest paying skills. Kung aaralin mo ito, lalaki at lalaki yung kikitain. Part-time friendly. Kanina habang while I'm driving boss, I'm busy dun sa 11 na GC. I'm an OFW. Sabi ko, that's not an issue. I'm in Dubai. Sabi ko, that's not an issue. Kahit saan ka man. I'm busy kasi bro, sa community na ito, 70%, 80% OFW, lahat yun busy. Pero bakit nila nagawa? Kasi part-time friendly ito. As long as may internet ka, may cellphone ka, at least, kung mag-start ka pa lang, at least 1 hour per day sa pag-aaral. Kung magaling marunong ka na at least 15 minutes a day per trade. Sino dito walang 15 minutes? Ang hirap na siguro ng buhay mo kung wala kang 15 minutes sa isang araw. Okay? So 15 minutes, user-friendly. Imagine, ito lang. Imagine, kung ito yung kikitain mo, kahit hindi isang araw, isang linggo, additional kita mo, 325. Ito lang, huwag na natin pag-usapan yung malaki. Around 50,000 on the side. Malaking tulong na ito. Makakabayad ka ng utang mo. Makakatulog ka ng mahimbing. Meron ka ng pangbayad sa Meralco. Meron ka ng pangbayad sa tubig. Meron ka ng pangbayad sa tuition ng anak mo. Meron ka ng pampadala sa Pilipinas. And the best part, kung consistent mo itong siseryosoin aralin, darating yung time, magbabakasyon ka sa Pilipinas. Kahit nandito ka sa Pilipinas, kikita ka kasi ito kahit saan pwede kang kumita. Sino ba dito gustong magbakasyon sa Pilipinas, kumikita? Sino ba dito gustong mag-for good? Kasi alam ko, OFW, yes, I know. At first, gusto mag-abroad. Pero kung nandyan ka na for how many years, gusto ko mo nang umuwi. Guys, I challenge you. Marami nang nakakrack ng code, maraming natuto at marami nang kumita. Baka ang kulang malang. Guys, tapangan mo lang ng konti. Bakit mo hindi tapangan ng konti? Maraming nangingil ng utang. Tapangan mo lang. Huwag kang matakot, guys. 159 sa BA pre-program natin, that's around 8,000 pesos. Hindi ka mapupusoy dyan. Pero kung matututo ka, malaki yung risk-reward ratio mo. Okay? So, digital revolution. So, how you participate? Mayroon ba tayong actionable? Mayroon ba tayong knowledge? Yes. Mayroon ba tayong actionable? Yes. Pwede mo siyang aralin. Okay? Including crypto. So, how do you? Guys, ganito yan. Paano tayo kukuha ng pera? Literally, parang ganito yung ginagawa ko, guys. Literally, parang ganito yung ginagawa ng iba nandito. Okay? Kumukuha lang talaga ng pera sa market. Seconds lang. Minutes. Okay? Minutes lang. Okay? So, best thing is aralin. So, sa community natin, mayroon tayong Academy Hub, mayroon tayong live trading, sasabay ka lang sa mga pro, mayroon tayong mga tools. This one is AI tools for crypto. Sasabihan ka when to buy, when to sell. So easy. Mayroon tayong tools for FX, Hummingbird, mga scanners. Okay, mayroon tayong Hero 30 na coaching. Kung hindi ka makasabay nito, mayroong record lahat. Mayroon tayong VIP signal. Sasabihan ka when to sell, when to buy. Mayroon tayong strategy na ibibigay sa iyo. At mayroon tayong weekly coaching sa mga baguhan with Coach Marge and Coach Nika. Guys, halos lahat isusubo na sa inyo. Ang kailangan mo lang, digital revolution. Mag-take action ka lang. So, the best thing you can do is to start to trade. And the long-term actionable mo is hold crypto. Mayroon akong mentor na wala siyang bahay, wala siyang sasakyan. Nagre-rent lang siya in Dubai. Kapag ka may pera siya, ibibili niya ng crypto. Kapag ka may pera siya, ibibili niya ng crypto. Parang nagsisave lang siya doon sa Bitcoin, pero yung Bitcoin, mas mataas yung tubo compared sa savings sa bangko. Yun lang yung asset niya. Long term yung hold niya. So pwede kang mag-hold ng Solana, Ethereum, and other crypto. Pero guys, this one, mas maganda yung kitaan dito kung malaki yung capital mo. Okay? Medyo conservative na kasi ito. Kailangan mo dito malaking capital. Let's say for example yung Bitcoin after 2 years nag-double. So kung 1,000 lang yung nilagay mo, 1,000 pesos lang din yung kita mo after 2 years, di ba? Pero kung 1 million yung nilagay mo, okay, meron kang 1 million after 2 years na wala kang ginagawa. Pero how can we do that? Dito tayo magsimula. Mag-start tayo sa forex trading. Habang lumaki yung kita natin, natuto tayo, habang lumalaki yung kita natin, ilalagay natin dito sa crypto. So this is specific and concrete, actionable on what we call the digital revolution. So mamili ka. Opportunity is nowhere dati. But opportunity is now here. Nandito na. Mamili ka. With this digital revolution, guys, hindi na ito mapipigilan. I will tell you, kung mabilis yung digital revolution this year, mas lalong mabilis pa yan next year kasi magkakaroon yan ng exponential effect. So mamili ka, how do you position yourself into this digital age? Are you going to be a victim na baka mawawalan yung iba ng trabaho kasi napapalitan na yung robot or AI? Or are you going to be a winner na mayroong opportunity sa digital age na kung aaralin mo lang, tiyak magkaroon ng pagbabago yung financial status mo? With that, this has been your Coach Nels, the founder of Pinoy Traders Community. In this community, we grow together, we win together. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat, magandang araw. Thank you so much for joining our free webinar. I hope marami kayong natutunan. Pero before we will end, picture muna tayo, Coach Marge. Nandito ba si Coach Marge? I think they're still running. Go, go, go tayo dyan, Coach Marge. Okay, ako na lang. Okay, guys, smile muna tayo, guys. Ito yung mga digital revolutionaries. Papangit pakinggan, parang mga... Okay, digital revolutionaries. Okay, grabe. 300. Guys, meron ba kayo natutunan, guys? Favor lang naman kasi since this is free training, ang favor ko sa inyo, please maglagay lang. Digital contractors. Yes, para tayong mga digital contractors dito. Favor lang kung na-appreciate nyo itong train. Kung na-appreciate nyo lang pwede bang maglagay positive feedback. Positive feedback, guys, doon sa mga GCs natin where kung saan ka na belong, Positive feedback lang doon sa mga GCs kung saan ka na belong, okay? Open your camera, page 3. Grabe, dami para natin, guys. Page 4, page 5. Okay, once again, thank you so much, guys. Pinoy Traders Community, we grow together. We will. God bless. Paalam, ingat po mga OFW. God bless, God bless, God bless.